Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change page margin left and right. Open your docs file and select file option, and here you will find this page setup option. Select here. Now select here. You can choose section or you can choose whole document. I'll first choose whole document. Now I'll change this left. I'll decrease this left margin 1.5, all of these pages 1.5. Now we will select OK and see this. All of these pages margin of sales. See this. Now all sales only this page margin. Select your page, drag your mouse, select file option and page setup option. And already a selected content, select here. Now select here left margin, I will choose 3, right margin also 3. Now select OK and see this. This left and right margin now sales. Yeah. In this way, you can change all of these pages or specific pages left and right margin. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.